वर्कर्स हो, हमारे जो डिपार्टमेंट के लोग हो, everybody is doing a commendable job. That is beyond, I would say, appreciation, because they are doing this work 24/7. So waste ऐसी चीज़ है कि जो सुबह से शाम तक निकलती ही रहती है, and there are lot many things. और फुटफॉल बहुत ज़्यादा है। और इस वाले बेस कैंप पे जैसे हमें अभी फिगर्स मिले कि अराउंड 35,000 लोगों का जो है रुकना होता है, एंड टू मैनेज दैट, और उनका उससे कितना जनरेट होता है, फ्रॉम वेट वेस्ट टू द plastic waste. So there is lot of waste, and the management is wonderful. We have seen all the facilities, from the wet waste, from the segregation of plastic to further segregation, and then for composting का जो process है, and then to the beds, and then finally to the packaging. Every day team is working tirelessly and doing a wonderful job. So I am really stuck to see that they are doing such a commendable job. And सबसे important जो हमारा initiative, हमारा mission mode है, that we are reaching out to environment. हमारा जो environment पे इसका जो impact होने वाला था, we are doing all the wonderful activities जिससे हमारा जो environment है उसकी protection हो रही है, and that is the excellent thing which is coming out of it. There is not it is a, I would say, zero landfill thing, and the credit goes to the Directorate of Rural Sanitation, Department of Rural Development, to the tireless efforts day in and day out, 24/7, and the whole team, including us, that this thing is actually a success, and we are doing and seeing it practically happening. And the more and best impact is our environment is safe, our water bodies are clean, and our mountains have no plastic, no kind of waste in it, because that is all processed and generated and managed in a very, I guess the IEC has started before the commencement of the yatra, but I would request as a message that we together have to work for this environmental protection. Since we are seeing a lot of climatic change, they are coming with all the instructions, they are doing wonderful.